Editing the table allows us not only to edit the information in the cells or delete entire rows, but also to reduce the number of columns, fields, or variables in the event that they are not useful, and thus we can save space in the computer memory. To begin with, we have to activate the pencil button to activate the edit mode. Next, we look for the delete field, the icon with a red column. In the list, we select the fields that we want to eliminate: CVE-GEO, CVE_ENT, CVE_MUN, and NOM_ENT, and then confirm. So we are left with the column identification code, the name of the state, and the information about the population. Just as we can delete a field, we can also create one using the icon with the yellow column, New Field. It is essential to know what information this field will provide, if it is text, number, or decimal number, and how many characters or figures the longest or largest value can have. In this example, we will calculate the population density per square kilometer. We already have the information about the population, so we are going to calculate area, which will be the name of the new field. Its type will be the decimal number, and the length will be 16. The precision of 3 expresses the number of digits after the decimal point. We click Confirm, and we can then see the new column without any information, which is represented by the word null. This does not mean that the value is 0, it only expresses that the field is empty. The value can be assigned by hand. However, it is much easier having the spatial layer with its precise coordinates to calculate the area using the field calculator accessible via the abacus button. The new window looks like the Select Feature by Expression window. It contains the same 3 sections, but at the top we can find the section for creating or updating fields. In this case, we are going to update existing field, specifically area. In the central column, we look for the geometric function that calculates the area. It is in the Geometry tab, and it is the function called $area. This appears in the Expression section, and we can click Confirm. We can check that all the rows contain information in the area column. This result is expressed in square meters by default. However, population density is usually expressed in inhabitants per square kilometer, so we will have to recalculate this value. Again, we activate Field Calculator and select Update Existing Field Area. Now, the expression will be the function of $area divided, expressed with a forward slash, by 1 million. When confirming, we will obtain the value of the area in square kilometers. Now, we have the 2 values needed to calculate the population density. We enter Field Calculator once again, and instead of Update Existing Field, we are going to create a new field. It will be called Density. Its type will be a decimal number, and the length will be 16 with a precision of 3. Now, the calculation expressed will deal with the relationship between 2 fields. We enter the Fields and Values tab, and with a double click, we select the total field, and this is transferred to the Expression section. We select the division operator or write a bar, and in the list of fields and values, we select the area with a double click. Thus, we have in the expression total divided by area, and then we can click Confirm. A new column appears in the table with the calculated density values. We deactivate the edit mode and save the changes we have made in the table.